Welcome back everyone, I'm Gentle Shadow. In today's video we are going to learn how to use BlackNote, a powerful note-taking app that helps you to stay organized and productive. Whether you are a student or a professional, BlackNote has got you covered. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Downloading and installing BlackNote. To get started with your BlackNote, head over to your App Store. Once you are there, search for BlackNote. Click on it. Now navigate to download. As you can see, I have downloaded mine. Click here to download the app. Now, after successfully installing the app on your device, open it. Step 2. Creating of notebooks. With BlackNote, you can create different notebooks for various subjects or projects. To do this, click on the plus icon located in the sidebar of the app interface here. This will pop up. Here is the notebook. To create a notebook, click on that notebook. Give your notebook a name related to its content and click on save. Step 3. Adding of notes. Now we have our notebook set up. Let's start adding of notes. Click on the desired notebook by clicking on it. Now click on the pencil icon to start writing your notes. Now type in anything, type in your notes or paste your notes. Now save it. To create a new note from this noteboard, click on the plus icon. Now click on notes. You can see checklist. Checklist, I'll come back later. Now click on notes. Now repeat the step. Enter the title name related to the content you are going to say, you are going to write. Enter the content you want to paste, you want to write, and click on save. Step 4. Organizing of notes. BlackNote provides excellent organizing features such as tag for better categorizing of notes. To add a tag to a note, press on the note you want to create the tag for. Now click on this folder icon. Now enter the name of the tag by clicking the plus icon on the down section. Click on add there and click on it. Click on the tag you want to add it. You see it. That's how to add tag to a note in order to categorize it. Step 5. Customizing BlackNote. BlackNote offers a customization option for personal experience. You can change text brightness, you can change text size, you can set a given word inside a note. You can also secure your note by adding password on it. You can delete the note by clicking this box icon and click on delete. You can also edit it by clicking the pencil icon. You can start it by clicking the star. Feel free to explore these options and make BlackNote truly yours. Step 6. How to back up and restore notes on BlackNote. To back up or restore notes. Now, to back up notes in BlackNote, click on this 3-dot line on the top section. Now click on Backup/Restore. Now click on Backup. Here it will bring you to your device storage section. Now select the folder you want to save it in. Then save it by clicking the save icon. Now to restore notes, in case you deleted the app, repeat the process. Click on Backup and Restore, but now click on Restore. Here, open the folder you saved the backup file. Now, click on the backup file. It is successful restore. All notes has been restored. And there you have it. Now you know how to use BlackNote effectively for everyday note-taking needs. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using this amazing app to boost your product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more related content. Thank you for watching.